What's going on, guys? It's here, Eddie, and in this video I am going to talk to you about a medicine product that my parents have used since a long time ago, and they have used with me since I was a kid, and up till now I have bought it and used it because it has helped me with my health issues or health problems. It has gotten rid of it for a while, sometimes for a long time, but it does help a lot. If this product has helped me, I hope it helps you too. Okay, so this is the purpose of this video, to share this information with all you guys. So let's jump right into it. Showtime. This is the product right here. It's called Vicks Rub. If you use this product, good for you. But if you haven't or haven't heard of this product or have not used this product, well, now I'm going to give you all the information, all the details on how this product works. And also, I'm going to share with you the inside of what the medicine looks like. I have used this product to get rid of cough, at least for a while, but it has worked. I used it for cough, for body aches or body pains. I have used it for muscle aches and for other reasons. Yeah, like for instance, to get rid of phlegm. But this is a little bit more hazardous. And the reason why, because you have to consume it. Yeah, basically what I mean by consuming it is by taking the medicine out and take it by mouth, by swallowing it, trying to get those phlegms out of the throat, to spit everything out that it's bad, that is causing health issues. So I did not want to try this, but ended up knowing about this through a person that I used to know a long time ago. This person tried it. He said, if you want to try it, you can try it, but it works. I mean, yes, it's dangerous, it's hazardous, but okay, I'm crazy, so I'm like, I don't know if to try this or not. I tried it, it worked, so it worked for me. If you want to try it, you can try it out, but if you don't feel comfortable, don't try it out. Or if you're scared, don't use it, because it can be dangerous. That's just a warning right there. But if you want to try it, you can try it. I tried it and it has worked. Now, I might be crazy, but I'm gonna try it out for you, like regarding what I mean by phlegms. I mean, it's not gonna work right away, but I am going to get some and consume it. Or phlegms. The phlegms are actually those things that, like saliva and all that green stuff, you know, that's what phlegms are. And you to get rid of them, this is what I do. Not all the time. I'm gonna consume it. I don't have any phlegms. What has helped me to get rid of those phlegms? So, this is the gel. I'm gonna eat it. I just done it for you, and just like that, and then all of a sudden, you know, in a little while it might start working, like spit those phlegms out, which are really bad. So you don't want that in your body. That's disgusting. But a lot of people go through that. They didn't really want to consume it because of the fact that it might cause health problems to my body. Yeah, it might be dangerous. I didn't want to end up in the hospital, but apparently it has helped me a lot. Do not consume it if you don't feel comfortable. But if you want to, you can. It's up to you, your body. And I am thankful that I got rid of those phlegms. Now you might be saying, this guy is crazy. So, if you don't believe me, here's a little bit more. Like I said, don't try it at home if you don't want to. I mean, if you think it's hazardous, okay, this kind of product you never consume. So I'm like, okay, let me try it. Took me a while, but I'm like, let me go ahead and try it. And this is for this purpose only. All right? Don't try it out if you don't feel comfortable. All right? So, your health is first, but like I said, it has worked with me. Hope it works for you if you try it out. Do not try it out. All right? Because it can be hazardous for you. All right? I'm crazy. But hey, when I'm talking about my health and it's something good, try it out. But if you don't feel comfortable or you think it's a bad idea, well, don't try it out. I try it out because I wanted to get rid of this phlegms. If you want to try it out because you want to get rid of all those phlegms right in your throat to spit everything out, all that bad stuff, you can do so. It's really good, but it's up to you. It's your body, it's your health. It doesn't taste that good, but it has worked for me. So, and I'm thankful that it did not harm me at all. So, that's good. Now, regarding how to use it for cough. Now, I'm going to give you examples by using this product. So now, I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you what it looks like from the inside. But I'm also going to use it. This is what it looks like. It's a gel, but once you put it on or rub it on right on your body, it's going to start actually heating up. And this is good because it's going to make the body feel good to get rid of that body pains, body aches, and even cough. You can rub it right on your chest, right on your throat. One thing, do not put it right on your eyes. No. Like I said, do not put it right on your eyes or close to your eye. Don't do that. And if you do, make sure to wash your eyes, your face real good. You will feel this burn right in your eyes and you're going to be having problems seeing. So if you get it close to your eyes or right on your eyes, make sure wash it off fast. Okay? But make sure you wash it off with cold water or a little bit of warm water until you get rid of it. Because for sure, it's going to burn. It doesn't feel good. So try not to put it right on your eyes, all right? Like, don't put it right on your eyes or right on top. Nothing like that. That's a no-no. It's just a little warning for you guys, okay? Don't let the kids use it or anything like that unless you use it on your own kids. All right, some of them might not like it. Do not let kids use this product. I mean, don't let them get it or because that's dangerous. Okay, so it's just a warning. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and use the product. For the cough, you can rub it right on here and right on your chest for cough. I'm gonna use it on my throat. I can also like put a little bit right on my nose. That way when I'm like inhaling or breathing in, it will go inside of my body and I can just feel better. When your nose congested, you just like rub it a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit, like right in this area. And it smells real good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rub it right here. I don't have any cough. This is just for you. I'm just putting it on so you can see that gel is right there. I'm gonna try a little bit more. So that's the gel right there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it right here. So I just rubbed the gel right on my throat. I can also rub it right on my chest for cough. Regarding cough, before you sleep, you put it on. It will start heating up, and this means that it's working, it's helping you trying to get rid of the cough. It makes your body feel better. Another place that I use it at, it's right on my feet. I'm gonna show you that too. This is for you. So if you have a lot of cough and you wanna use it right on your feet to work a lot faster, Put it right on your feet, like right on the bottom of the feet. And then, on both feet, when you put this right on your feet, at the bottom of the feet, make sure you rub all the palm of the feet, toes, everything. Once you have rubbed both feet, wear socks and then go to sleep. And this will work during the night. It will help you get rid of the cough. But I'm gonna try it for you now regarding the feet. So I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna rub it on my feet. This Vicks, yes, I'm gonna rub gel right on my foot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it. Make sure your feet are clean. And then you go ahead and rub it. Rub your toes real good. Make sure you kind of like press it and rub it all over the bottom of your feet. Right now, I'm just doing one foot. Just like that. If you need to put more, you can go ahead and put a little bit more. I'm just giving an example. I don't have any cough. I'm glad about that. This is if you have cough. I'm gonna go ahead and use socks. Show you what I'm talking about. Make sure to put socks on during the night. And this will help a lot to get rid of the cough. See? Just like this. Do it on both of your feet. I'm gonna go ahead and do both feet. Like rub it real good. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put a sock on. This is just a demonstration. Okay. Hello? Now, if you have a lot of cough during the night, make sure to wear socks or wear socks all the time. If it's cold, make sure you wear socks all the time so you won't get any cough. For the cough, make sure you rub it right on your throat, right on your chest, like I have said, right on your chest, like this. This is at any time for body aches. You just go ahead and rub it. Do the same thing with the back of the neck, and this is to get rid of pains, and it will work. It might take a while before it works, but it will work. Then you will feel the difference. So for me, it worked. Hopefully it worked for you too. Another thing is, I've been having like a lot of pain right on my back, there right on my where my waist is, and I put Vicks Rub and it has worked. Yeah, the pain gets really bad when you're standing a lot, things like that. And if you feel that pain, make sure to rub Vicks right on that waist part or the back part, and lie down right on the bed on your stomach. It's going to start working. The gel is going to start heating up, and it's going to like basically getting all your muscles feel better, and you will be ending up feeling better. Like every time it hurt, that's what I do, and it has helped me a lot. This is what the Vicks Rub does. Vicks Rub, it's a real good product. My recommendations to this product, it's a yes, thumbs up, and I'll give this product from 1 to 10, I'll give it a 10 because it's a real good product. This is it with this Vicks and all the details and information I've given you regarding what it cures, at least for a short-term period or a long time period. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to answer you back. If you enjoyed and liked the video, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. If you enjoyed and liked the video, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Make sure to share the video. This is Eddie. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.